Hello friends, myself Dr. Niranjan Shah. Today I am going to explain about the scrutiny of profit and loss account items. In last video we have discussed about the various items regarding balance sheet. It means checking and verification of assets and liabilities. In last video we have discussed about the schedule number 1 to schedule number 12. Now we are going to discuss about the items related to the profit and loss account. The profit and loss account is a revenue statement. It is prepared by the bank in form number B of schedule number 3 to the Banking Regulation Act 1949. Students, let's see the diagram of profit and loss account items. It is classified into basic two categories. First is related to the incomes and second is related to the income expenditures. Incomes are further divided into two schedules. First schedule is related to the interest earned or interest received, and other is other incomes, means remaining incomes, to be recorded in schedule number 14. Schedule number 13 is related to the interest earned on loans, advances, cash credit, overdraft, etc. The second part is related to the expenditure. It is further divided into two categories. First category is related to the actual expenditures. It is related to the schedule number 15 and schedule number 16. In schedule number 15, the bank has recorded interest expended. It means interest paid or interest payable to the depositors, to the borrowings, and schedule number 16 is related to the operating expenses of the bank. The second part of the expenditure is related to the provisions and contingencies. If there is a provision for bad and doubtful debts, or if there is a provision for taxation, then it will be recorded at the provisions and contingencies. It is also related to the appropriations. It means current year profit or last year brought forwarded profit to be distributed among various reserves, and the remaining balance, that is surplus, to be recorded at the schedule number 2 of the balance sheet. Let's discuss the audit procedure of income side of the profit and loss account. It means that checking and verification of incomes. The schedule number 13 is related to the interest earned. It means earned means received. While auditing this schedule, the auditor should check the following items. First item is related to the interest calculation on sampling basis. It means that the auditor may not or cannot be check all items recorded by the bank or all calculations recorded by the bank. There are numerous accounts and there are various types of loans, advances, cash credit, overdraft facilities provided by the bank. And on these facilities, bank received various types of loans and there are various rates of loans categories. While checking the interest, the auditor should take some samples and check it as a regular calculation of the interest. After that, auditor should check discount earned on bill considering period, amount, rate, etc. It means that while drawer and drawee draw a bill and drawer deposited the bill into bank, that time it is to be discounted, and while discounted, the discount is an income of the bank. So the auditor should check the discount on considering the bills date, bill amount, etc. In third, The auditor should check the proper sanctions, agreements, and RBI guidelines followed by the bank. While giving a loan or while taking the interest, the RBI gives guidelines for the bank. There is a proper sanctioning procedure, there is a proper agreement procedure. If the bank follows that procedure, then it will be correct. Otherwise, there will be a fraud, or there will be some mistakes, and auditor should find that mistakes or that fraud by checking the sanction procedure, agreement procedure, and the guidelines whether the bank has followed or not followed. Next one, the amount of investment on which income is earned. It means that when the bank deposits some money into other form, it means deposited into other banks or other institutions, other companies, or government securities, debentures, etc. Then the interest received on that investment, it should be recorded at the schedule number 13. And while checking that particular item, the auditor should check the investment amount, rate of the investment, and where to go for investment by the bank or from the bank. Next one, the auditor should check the amount of loans and advances on which income is earned. It means that he should check schedule number 9, because schedule number 9 is related to the loans and advances, cash credit and overdrafts given to the public, and the public or loan taker and the public gives interest on that particular loan. So the loan amount should be recorded in schedule number 9, and while checking the schedule number 13 interest calculation, it is depends on schedule number 9. So the schedule number 9 related to the loans and advances should be checked by the auditor. Next one, schedule number 14. It is related to the other incomes. There are various types of incomes receiving the bank. Other incomes will consist of commission received, income on currency exchange, brokerage received, profit on sale of investment or profit on sale of asset, profit on revaluation of investment or revaluation of asset, profit on non-banking asset, rent received, dividend received, etc. There are so many types of incomes received by the bank. Bank provided various types of facilities: ATM card facilities, debit card facilities, credit card facilities, Visa card, MasterCard facilities, internet banking facilities, core banking facilities, demand draft facilities, checkbook facilities, then traveler check facility, and they charge some amount of money. That some amount of money is the income, but the income is not a primary income, it is a secondary income. Therefore it is recorded at the schedule number 14. If there is a primary income, then it will be recorded at a schedule number 13. Means that schedule number 13 is related to the primary income, and schedule number 14 is related to the secondary income of the bank. It means the charges, brokerage, commission charged or provided by the bank on the various services provided to the public or investors. Another point is related to the profit on sale of investment or profit on sale of asset or profit on sale of non-banking asset or profit on sale of profit on revaluation of assets or and investment. It is also recorded as an other income, and it should be recorded at schedule number 14. While checking this all items, auditor should know all these provisions, all these categories of income. The auditor should check the following: first, the calculation of such income; sanction and agreement of such a type of incomes and regarding this. Next one, amount of investment advances on which such income is received and other relevant registered and documents. While checking these all items or all types of incomes which is related to the bank, the auditor should check the calculation of interest. It means by taking some cases as a sample and he check the amount, rate and calculation period and calculation amount to be recorded at schedule number 14. Thank you.